Hello, I'm Oludoyi Eunice. I'll be looking at this topic, developing and using multimedia-based supplementary teaching material for model education. What is multimedia? Multimedia refers to using more than one medium, such as audio, visual tools, or both. It is a broad term for combining multiple media formats and involves using 5 basic types of media, such as text, video, sound, graphics, and animation. Multimedia-based supplementary teaching materials. They are collectively additional teaching and learning materials that are utilized simultaneously in classroom to present learning content in a more interesting, memorable, and enjoyable way. In discussing this topic, I am going to be looking at my area of specialization, which is music, and how multimedia can assist students in having a better understanding of music. Let me start by defining what music is. Music is a well-organized sound that is pleasant to the ears. What is important to understand by music is that its melodies arise from the combination of various instruments that are applied in the application and production of sounds. Types of musical instruments. We have African traditional musical instruments, Western musical instruments, and of course the human voice. African traditional musical instruments are categorized into 4 groups according to their sounds. They are aerophone, idiophone, chordophone, and membranophone. Western musical instruments are classified into 4 groups. We have strings, percussion, woodwind, and brass. And of course, the human voice is also grouped into 4. We have soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. Soprano and alto are for female, while tenor and bass are for male voice parts. These are the various musical instruments that we have. Harp is under chordophone. These are idiophones, and we have 2 types. We have shaking idiophone. As you can see, this is shekere. We call it shekere. Shaking idiophone, you have to shake it. Then we have gong, agogo, which is strong idiophone. You have to use another instrument to hit it so that it will produce sound. Then we have membranophone. These are membranophone. As you can see here, we have talking drum, we have conga. Then when we look at this, which is a piano. Piano, that is keyboard. Keyboard is the instrument that consolidates all other functions of every other musical instrument. And we have harpsichord, organ, keyboard, and piano. In conclusion, the first gain is that students are able to visualize, that is, they can see all these instruments. Secondly, students will be able to differentiate the sounds. When you play trumpet and play this drum, students will know, okay, you are playing, this is a trumpet sound and this is a drum sound. They will be able to what? Differentiate. Thirdly, not only identifying and differentiating the musical instruments and their sounds, but it helps to retain and also build a better understanding of these musical instruments. Seeing the instruments in use can generate interest in the learners. It gets learners involved. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.